Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the rewards from your chipmunk. So basically, once it eats a plant, it's going to spawn an acorn. Here, as you can see, it's right in front of me, but it's going to spawn randomly everywhere, like here. You're just going to go through it, and as you can see, I got one mythical egg. The more it eats, I think, or the older the chipmunk is, it will give you better rewards. So I will use my level up lollipop to obviously level up my chubby chipmunk so I get better rewards. Here is some of the rewards you can get, I think, from this. So this is the chipmunk passive rewards. You can get a watering can, an event lantern, golly sprinkler, legendary egg. What did I get? A mythical egg? Oh, I got a mythical egg. That's insane. Reclaimer, nutty crate, silver fertilizer, nutty chest, mythical egg, medium toy, medium treat, master sprinkler, more nutty chest, grand master sprinkler, rainbow fertilizer, and a pet shard nutty. But yeah, that is it. I hope I get the pet shard soon. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.